Drop protection of up to 1.5 meters, made possible by Honor's cushioning material with micron-sized pores that can absorb up to 1.2 times of the impact of a drop. That's one of the amazing features of the Honor Magic6 Lite. Here's a quick overview on the specs and design of this device. The Honor Magic6 Lite has dimensions of 163.6 by 75.5 mm, a thickness of 7.98 mm and weighs 185 grams. The display is a 6.78 inches AMOLED display with nicely curved bezels. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate. This device has 3 color options: emerald green, sunrise orange with vegan leather finishing, and midnight black. On performance, the Honor Magic6 Lite runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13 and rocks a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset. The CPU has octa-core processors with Adreno A710 GPU. There's an 8GB RAM expandable to 16GB and the internal storage is 256GB. The triple rear camera setup has a 108 megapixels main camera with f1.75 aperture, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixels macro camera with f2.4 aperture. This camera can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The front has a 16 megapixels camera with f2.45 aperture. The Honor Magic6 Lite comes with a 5300 mAh lithium polymer battery that supports 35 watts charging. This device has dual nano SIM slots and a fingerprint sensor for security. Please let us know what you think about this device in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on the specs and designs of latest gadgets. Bye.